Why am I reflecting on all the reasons why it could be my fault? That's a symptom of the platform.
We will throw acid on you.
Bloody bitch, you should be gang raped.
Right now, you're just a pretty face.
You guys should be torched alive mercilessly. I think I'm just gonna stop here. There's still the same hatred, there's still the same rape culture. Maybe once in like 10 times or 20 times it does get removed or the account gets suspended.
It's still not clear up front. This is the process of what happens when you make a report. This is what you should expect from us. This is what we should expect from you.
I mean, definitely some improvement to some extent, but I think so much more has to be done.
It would be much nicer if, Twitter also became not only a platform that helped us break gatekeeping, but also a platform that was safe.
The accountability and the responsibility has to be shown in order to really protect women.
They're a multi-billion-pound company and organisation. They can afford to invest in the resources and people power to make their platform safe.